Dargah Institute, we want to revive the Nalanda tradition. Nalanda University is the first university in the world, and that was based on these Buddhist teachings and the different knowledge, normally what we call 10 different subjects. So it's quite vast. They are bringing what we call view, meditation, application together. Sometime in the past, maybe within 400-500 years ago, meditation and the study become a little bit separate. So we have this academic studies, doesn't meditate much. We have these retreat centers, not study much. So here we want to join these two together. Buddha always said, you study, you contemplate, and then meditate.